It takes me quite a... Alright, so Suppy's got a rack.
Metal rack.
Metal rack. Everybody knows I've been dying to make a metal rack. There's one over there. Suppy loves it. Awesome. But we got a better design here. Shout out to IMS. They got us some metal and we're going to get it together.
Set the machine up to like 3/16. That's what this stuff is. This stands up like this, up against the wall. Right. This piece goes like this. Oh. This piece.
Oh, that's nice.
Right there. All right, we're gonna weld that piece right there. Whoa, we didn't pay electricity again? You have to weld it up like that.
You want me to weld this? What do you want me to do first? Just weld?
Weld the bases.
Just weld the bases on first?
Yeah, you see, I tacked them all, so they're all in pretty good position.
Oh, you just want me to just weld those all together?
Yeah, weld all these together.
Okay. How about I do one, and then...
Well, look, it's just gotta look like that.
Okay. All right, and I'll set the machine at 3/16. I'll just weld all the bases for you, and then...
Yeah, and then I'll do, you know, if we could tack all these together, that'd be awesome too. Just tack them, and I'll weld them, because this is structural, so I want to do that myself. This is not, this is just...
Yeah, it doesn't really matter.
That doesn't matter, but this does.
Okay. So, circle technique.
You could do the circle, yeah.
Or Dan taught me the wave technique.
The wave, I like the wave better.
The wave?
Yeah.
I'll start with welding the bases.
Yep.
You think I should grab a table, throw it on a table, and just be standing up? Just knock them all out?
Yeah, do we have a table?
I know where there's a little table. And this is the same thickness as this, so I keep the same amount of time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
you're not gonna blow through this thing. It's 3/16 versus 3/16. I mean, you gotta be pretty damn stupid to blow through this. What are we doing? Are you set up?
I'm set up. I'll show you my setup.
That's awful. Come on, let me show you real quick. Let me grab my gear and then.
Okay. That's not so good.
It's not hot enough. You can tell, like, it didn't really melt in.
Well, I only had it set to an 1/8. Should I have...
An 1/8. I told you that you set it to 3/16. You just blast it. All right, here we go. All right. You're kind of dragging the puddle with you. Start the opposite of the tack. So you want to start here.
Oh, we'll do it.
Yeah.
End up the tack?
Yeah, the tack is usually a good stop point.
What's up, player? This metal rack's gonna be insane. Bolted to the ground. 16 feet. Metal rack update. Suppy. It's got the sleeves on. So what do you think, bro?
Hell yeah, it's about time we get a metal rack. I'm tired of that stuff laying on.
So, this table's badass. Yeah, so like you were saying, weld here, and we're gonna eventually bolt.
Yeah.
It's gonna be very sturdy.
Yes, it's gonna be very sturdy.
Very sturdy, to say the least. So, right now, we're just gonna weld these up. Let's get to it. Go right into the table.
Yeah, that's the whole idea. You could sell these.
Yeah, you could. These tables?
You could make them on that. One leg. 5 more to go. I thought you left. The metal rack?
Oh, sick. You guys actually building?
That gives me anxiety. Every time we need... Whoa, that was good, Kyle. Dude, I'm about to make my whole living room set out of steel. We had a new shop guy. He's dope. He's got steel in his blood.
You do the top and then
Yeah, I do the top and then do the side.
but you bring them down on the
Yeah.
the other side?
You want to start here and push it. Start from here. Start from the solid side and push it this way.
Okay.
Okay? So you want to run this way, back around. Run this way, back around. Run this way, back around. By the time you get by here, it's going to get very hot. So it's going to start falling into this metal. So just stop and then start here.
Like
That, yeah.
start
And then you'll
here,
be,
should I
yeah.
start here?
It doesn't matter. The gap's pretty big. You're pulling out. Once you start pulling out and you don't get gas coverage, that's when you get those little porosities in. Pick it up. Watch, I'll show you. You ready?
Yeah.
Just pick it up.
So off camera, we cut this out on the plasma table. Got some metal from IMS, aluminum specifically, 1/8 inch. Suppy cleaned it all up and we created this rack to hold all the welding rod. So now we can actually, we'll be able to utilize this welding table.
That's what I'm saying. It's actually a nice table if you can get to it and use it.
So all this metal we got from IMS.
Yep.
Industrial Metal Supply.
These guys are awesome, man. And anytime we need something, they get it to us right away. They're great suppliers.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Did you watch the bonus episode where I actually went and checked out IMS and their setup?
Aw, yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
If you haven't seen it, check it out, bonus channel. I went and did a tour of Industrial Metal Supply. It's super cool. If you need custom metal cut out, go there, they'll get you hooked up, so. Is today the day, Suppy?
Today's the day. This rack's going up today.
Okay, we got the all the tools we need.
Yes. We have all the tools we need. We got all the supplies we need. I'm gonna make some sense of all our steel, man.
What's the ideal length of stuff that we're setting on here?
We're gonna make 5 feet apart, and then we're gonna make one that's only 2.5 feet.
Okay.
So,
And the 2.5 foot one, it's not
right,
gonna.
like towards the end.
Okay, okay. And we're gonna put little knobs. How many steps do you think we're gonna put in?
Maybe 4, like a foot apart.
Okay.
So this is 7 feet tall.
All right.
But we don't want it all the way down here either. You don't want the big long ones down there to pick them up. You're gonna throw out your back.
Well, ideally, it would be awesome if we could unload and load with the forklift. Because that's what a lot of real shops do, right? Let's get to it. Today's the day. We're building a massive metal rack.
dummy.
Yeah.
That's your first hole. Is here.
So do I just drill through it right now?
Because you can drill the bottom just where it's at,
But just drill those, bolt it in.
and then drill the bottom. These are what we're putting into the ground right here. Yeah. It just pulls down and expands into the concrete, holding it in place. Kind of like a rivet, but for concrete.
Wow. And you obviously don't need them accurate because you've asked me to drill the holes.
I need them somewhat accurate.
Oh, Suppy, we got it done. It took us the entire day.
Well, we finally have a metal rack, so stuff doesn't have to lay on the floor anymore.
Nice. Well, should we test it out? Okay.
Right, and then
Yo,
sick, man, sick.
this thing is sick. I'm pumped.
We gotta move that.
Cool, man. Well, I know you got laundry to do. I got laundry to do.
Yeah, man, I got
Let's get out of here.